My interest in plant pathology started when I attended lectures by Dr. Bulgarelli and Dr. Boss on plant-microbe interactions. I was later afforded the opportunity to build on this interest in the practical projects where I had the privilege of performing genotypic and phenotypic characterization of a novel P. infestans isolate from the 2019 growing season. So when I heard about this internship, I jumped at the opportunity to worked with Dr. Bulgarelli to produce a project that I think is quite interesting.
I view it as an opportunity to gain experience in plant pathology and for networking opportunities a membership with the BSPP can provide.
So my project focuses around the pathogen-protective microbiota and can be broadly divided up into two main stages. In the first stage, we performed a critical appraisal of the current scientific literature and then constructed count matrices to reconstruct the taxonomic information of these studies. We broadly focused on the higher taxonomic ranks to allow comparison across studies. In the second stage of the project, I used descriptive statistics in R to evaluate how defined factors, chiefly the study, the plant, and the pathogen, all affect the protective microbiota across the studies.
So it involved a series of PhyloSec tutorials with Dr. Bulgarelli, which actually culminated in me writing my own code to tackle a flagellum soil interaction data set. It was pretty cool.
I think what I've enjoyed most about this internship is taking what I've learned in my lectures and applying it to the findings to interpret the data and make sense of it.
The satisfaction of writing my own code and witnessing results that actually ended up changing what we know in the field. So I'm much more familiar with the basics of PhyloSec and how to handle data sets such as the one I've had experience with Dr. Bulgarelli doing.
Yeah, it was really great to refresh my skills in RStudio ahead of my honors project, which will come in really handy. Yeah, so I feel like the experience and knowledge gained from this internship will be invaluable heading forward into my honors project, and a year's membership to the BSPP will enable me to apply to the travel fund, attend more conferences, do more networking. So in a nutshell, this internship will have been invaluable to my applications to further study, mainly master's and PhD programs.
Yeah, I just have to agree with what Cameron said here. The membership with the BSPP definitely will be extremely valuable, and the experience I've gained working with PhyloSec, no doubt, when I continue to my honors project, is going to prove handy. Yes, as a plant scientist and geneticist, I've always had a keen interest in plant pathology, and this project just confirmed it's a field for me.
Yeah, definitely. I found the work interesting and engaging, and I'm looking forward to seeing what interesting projects I can get involved with in the future.